Hi, my name is Josh Green. Been above an amputee for almost 39 years. And today I'm going to answer the question, when should I get new prosthetic liners or socks if you use those? The simple answer is most insurances is either every 6 months or 12 months. You could get one, usually two. And every time you're eligible for that, you should grab those because some liners are more heavy duty than others. Some get rips real easy, and then sometimes you just have an accident and just, grab a handful of it and you'll get a big rip in it and you need to replace it. This one I'm wearing currently, I just took off. Definitely would fall under the category of needing replaced, but it still works, and I do have two in my closet, so I'm gonna wear this until I can't wear it anymore. These things are too expensive. But you can see I got rips and cracks. It almost looks like a cat was clawing at it, probably from just the activity and sitting down, standing up. It probably just, gets ate out a little bit. One thing that can help you keep your liners a little longer is taking care of them to the specs of the manufacturer, which is, turn it inside out, wash it with antibacterial soap. I also do rubbing alcohol once a week just to make sure I kill any bacteria. Having a nice, good, clean, dry liner, that's very important. Put the liner on a liner stand or wherever you can set it to let it dry overnight. But being completely dry before you put it back on is important. You can still wear them. I've definitely worn them with a little bit moisture still at the top or whatever, and it was a bad idea. I get blisters all over the top of my residual limb. Not fun, but sometimes you don't have a choice and you gotta go. But you make sure you don't help with the odor or any type of sweat or fungus you can get in there, because essentially, it's like your sock. So it's very common you could get athlete's foot or something like that on your residual limb. So as long as you keep them clean, keep them dry, maybe rotate out one or two if you have some others that will prolong the life. And then if you don't know what your insurance stipulations are on 6 months or 12 months, please call your CPO office because you do want to get those as soon as you're eligible. You never know what might happen. You could lose your insurance, a lot of different things, and it'd be wise of you to have some extras in the closet. If you guys got any other tips or tricks you do with your liners, or how you keep them, or how you dry, have you made your own drying stand? They used to come with a lot of liners, now they don't. How do you guys take care of your liners, and how often do you get them replaced? Let me know in the comments.